let the joy come in. Call the names aloud, let the drum begin. I show it be calm dance, I show it be calm dance. Mama, Papa bless us, I show it be calm dance. I show it be calm dance, I show it be calm dance. Hold your love for life, I show it be calm dance.
Have you ever listened to any music online and it sounds so new, so good and so interesting to you that you wonder who is the artist behind this song? Guys, there's this site that creators are using to generate music, maybe for their AI videos, for their normal videos, or just normal music. Like normal music, you will think is an artist that sang that song. You will know that it is AI generated. You can use it to generate any kind of sound, any kind of music, any type at all. You can use it to compose lengthy music, you can use it to compose short music. It can generate a lot of sound for your videos, be it emotional sound, be it suspense sound, be it calm sound, danger, like all kinds of sound. And the good thing is that it is completely free. Yes, we have the pro version, but there are a lot that you can do with the free version. If you are the type that love adding music to your videos but you're afraid of copyright, just stay with me because this video is for you. Be it music with lyrics, instrumental, hip hop, or traditional sound, just name it, any kind of music, you can get it from this site. This site has helped a lot of creators, especially AI creators, including myself, and I have decided to share this site with you today. You don't have to be afraid of copyright because you made the song yourself. You are the original owner of that music or sound. So join me in this video. Let me show you how you can create your own sound or music free of copyright in less than 1 minute. Let's go, guys. So guys, you can choose to install the app from App Store or Play Store, Suno AI, or you just go to your Google Chrome and type Suno AI music generator. Whether you go through the web or you go through the app, it is still the same. It will give you the same option when you want to create. Okay, so all these ones that you are seeing here are people's work. So you click on that sign, that music sign, that means create. You click on it so that you'll be able to start creating. It will bring you to this phase, and under here you have advanced. Advanced is the pro version while simple is the free version. Okay, so under advanced we have these options. You can see lyrics there. It says write lyrics or a prompt, or leave empty for instrumental. Instrumental is just the sound. Like if you don't have anything in mind, if you don't know what to write, you can just choose the style of your music and then leave the space empty. Or you can just go to ChatGPT to generate prompts in case you don't know how to compose your prompt, you don't know what to write, but you have something in mind, you have a kind of music in mind to create. Just go to ChatGPT so that it can help you to generate prompt for the music. Then you choose the style of your music. We also have style. This enables you to choose the style of your music. Describe what you want your song to sound like what you want it to sound like, whether pop, uplifting, pop rock, 80s, or anything. They have so many options there. You can choose from the options, or you can just write a prompt like describe whatever you want your music to sound like. When you scroll down a bit, you will see more options. Under more options, you have the ability to choose the voice you want, whether it is a male voice or a female voice. You also have other options here, but these are pro versions. Okay, before you'll be able to choose from this one, you have to upgrade. If you take a look at the top right side, you will see other options there. When you click on there, you will see the key sign, which means that they are pro versions. These options enables you to customize your music, including the voice, the quality, the sound, and every other thing. You can upgrade to pro version so that you have access to these options. So all these options are under advanced. Let's go to simple so that we'll be able to create music. Just click here and it will take you back to simple. You can see add audio there. When you click on it, you will be able to either upload a video, record a sound, or with your own voice, or upload an audio. There are a lot of things that you can do here, but before you do it, make sure that whatever you want to upload, you are the original owner of it. Do not upload any other person's work. Okay, so when you click on this sign here, it will give you a lot of options just in case you don't have anything to write or you don't have a prompt. But I will advise you that you get your prompt from ChatGPT. Okay, so that you can just copy it from there and then paste it here. So let me just write something here. Let me just create something here. In the video that I was making, I needed a traditional wedding song, so I want to get one here. Let me just write a Nigerian traditional wedding song. After writing your prompt, then you go down to style and choose any style of your choice. You can choose from the one they wrote there, or you just describe the style that you want in your music. Then after that, you click on create so that the music can start creating. It doesn't take time. It takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. One good thing about this app is that it doesn't just create one music or just a short music. No, it creates about 4 music, and then it is long, from 2 minutes, some of them 3 minutes, some of them 4 minutes, depending. 2 out of it is free. You can download it free. Then the other 2, you have to upgrade before you can download them, or before you can get the full music. So this is what we have now. It gave us 4 music. So let's check out the music.
Shine today, groom don't come correct. Mama bless the floor, Papa nod and smile.
Guys, that's the first one and it sounds so real, so nice. Like let's check out the second one.
They shine today, groom don't come correct. Mama bless the floor, Papa nod and smile.
So that's the second one. It is also good, yeah, but I prefer the first one. You also have the option to play the third and the fourth one. Yeah, you have the option to listen to them, and then if you love them, you can choose to upgrade so that you have full access to them, so that you'll be able to download them too. Okay. That's the third one. All right, so when you are done, when you found the one that you like, you will just click on that 3 dotted line so that you'll be able to download them. Okay, so when you click on that line, you have a lot of options there. You can see publish song, download song, save as video, edit song. A lot of them, you can even remix it, you can extend it, or any other thing you choose. You can even share it. Okay, so let's click on download so that we can download the song. After downloading, you can choose where to save it, maybe save to files, and then click on save, and you are good to go. And if you don't like this music, you can still go back to ChatGPT for another prompt so that it can write a different prompt for you, so that the Suno AI can compose a different song entirely. All right, so when you click on save, we are good to go. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be able to get notified whenever I drop a video. I will see you on my next video. Bye.